It's a new 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback Hybrid. When you think of a hatchback, you think of fun. When you think of a hybrid, you think of efficiency. When you drive this Civic Hatchback Hybrid, you'll think this is your perfect blend of both. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, front heated bucket seats, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.